Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is October the 7th, 2021. I wanted to come in today and do an updated price prediction in the market for Amazon stock. So this is going to be our Amazon stock prediction. We want to see that if Wall Street is selling up here at these prices in Amazon, should we? Or can we expect the market to continue to trade within this consolidation range? You guys can see it, and expect the market to eventually break out of it to the upside. So you guys are at a great spot. Tap in with me and let's see what the price chart has to say. Make sure hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel, because one thing we will not do here on this channel is that we don't hype up stocks. If the market's going to go down, guess what? I'm going to tell you about it. If the market's going to go up, guess what? I'm going to tell you about that too. I don't care where price goes, because we can capitalize whether it goes up, whether it goes down. So if you guys want to learn more, like I said, tap in. This is no hype. This is no pump ups. We're not trying to pump up stocks. We're not going to come in on every video and say that every freaking stock in the market is a buy, because that's ridiculous, because it's clearly not. And there has been umpteen YouTube channels on this platform that continues to pump these stocks. Even when the market is clearly down 50-60%, they still want you to come in and buy it, because they want you to hold it for the long term over the next 55 years. They want you to hold these stocks. So now let's do this. Last time we did our price prediction in Amazon was on September the 13th. So check it. Let me zoom in, because I want to show you what happened to the price versus our prediction. Look, we were playing the strength into the market in Amazon. We were right there on the 13th of September, and dang, that price ain't even go up. The market, it seemed like every day it kept going down. Every day. So now the question is, look at where we're at right now. Look at it. We told you where the market support will have to come through to allow our price prediction to be maintained. And we came there on October the 4th. And guess what? What do you know? The market has held price so far. So you may be thinking, since the market really didn't break $3,200 to the downside, can we still keep this price prediction? Yeah, we can. But it's just going to take longer for price to go up now, right? That's one thing that we don't like. We don't like to keep our money locked up in position or in plays for a long time. Yes, there are times to where you can't keep plays locked up over the next 500 years. Yeah, you can do that, but there's no need for you to continue to come in, day out, and look at the market, because you're not expecting to really act on that money until the next 500 years. So if that's you, if that's your play in Amazon, then don't be coming in every other day and watch Amazon stock prediction videos, because you're not expecting the market anyway or touch that money in the next 500 years. But for us, on this particular situation, on this particular price prediction, we don't want to keep the money locked up long. But it looked like that may be the case, because price in Amazon, man, just dropped like a rock, 8% at least. So let's see this first. We want to see on a different time frame, are we noticing strength right now? Like, can we still expect the market to obey our prediction, our original intent of seeing this price going up? Let's see it. Okay, so this is the 5-day time frame, and I'm not seeing a lot of indication of strength in the market in Amazon. I'm not right now, because the last 4-5-day price bars, we've seen weakness. All right, it is what it is. We have to address whenever we see the market being weak. And the last 5-day price bars in Amazon were weak. The trend is down. So inevitably, $3,200 is going to be real important for us to see Amazon hold. Because if we don't hold $3,200, then we're coming all the way back down to 31, and then eventually 3,000, right? But again, if you're a long-term player in the market in Amazon, you shouldn't even worry about that, because we have a lot of history right here that shows us that the market is being propped up anyway, right? So many of you may even come in and buy the market when we do go down to $3,100 to $3,000, because you're holding this for the long term. This is the weekly time frame so far. So again, all eyes is fixated right here, right now. Okay. So far, we're still golden to allow this price in Amazon to go up. So far. 2 weeks time frame. So far, we're still golden. 3 weeks. So far, we're still golden. 5 weeks. So far, we're still golden. But I'm not extremely excited though. I have to keep it real. I'm not extremely excited to see Amazon continue to break out to the upside. Every time frame that I'm showing you, yes, so far we are golden, but we need to be forecasters. We need to be predictors and say, but as I looked at these different time frames, there's still weakness all across the board. There's still weakness being seen here. So we have to be prepared for this. We have to see it for what it is and make plans accordingly. But yes, we're still golden right now. Today, yeah, we're still golden. So now, what I'm going to do, okay, based off us looking at all those varying time frames, I'm going to have to play the weakness in the market in Amazon, right? I am. So let me take this off as a loss as about 5.91%. It didn't go right. It happens. But I don't want you all to think that I'm expecting Amazon to crash. No. I'm looking forward to try to tag around $3,100 to $3,000. Excuse me. I'm looking forward to do that. Okay. Now, in order for that to continue, Amazon cannot break up above, I will say, $3,450, right? So let me show you all what I'm getting. Right there. Okay. Now, so far, we're getting a bounce in the market in Amazon. I'm seeing that already. So understandably, that is the risk that this prediction is going to take. Because when I look at this from a longer term perspective, yes, the market is bouncing in Amazon right now. But as we see this price go up, we will be expecting the market to try to come back down and then eventually hit $3,100 to $3,000, right? Okay. So this is the play. We're looking for the market in Amazon to go down. Yes, right now price is anticipated to go up. I have what, $3,450 as the area of restriction. As long as price in Amazon stays below that number, we understand that the market has the probability to continue to go down. Because when I look at this on different time frames, I mean, the market is giving us weakness, right? It is giving us that weakness. Currently, we're getting a bounce though. So I'm noticing that as well. All right, so this is it right here. So that would be the first ever restriction right there around $3,425, $50. I want to bring it up here though to 3,500. Okay. So now this is it right here. This is our expectations going forward for the month of October, maybe a little bit of November, to see Amazon go down in price. But don't fret. I just don't be concerned. We're just playing a little bit of weakness into the market. I'm not saying that the market's going to plummet and crash in Amazon, right? You would believe that by us playing predictions to market going down, that you would think that we always anticipate a crash, like by the responses that we're getting from these videos. And it's not the case. Just playing a little bit of weakness. All right, so now I want to know, what is your price prediction now going forward in Amazon? Are we going to go up or are we going to go down? Drop me a comment right now and let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.